So yes, this is what you see. We also have some blocks over here and other stuffs on the other end. Hey, good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening. It usually depends on the place where you're watching me from. My good name is Claude Joseph. This day today, I want to update you about what's going on. Today is the main day of doing some contribution towards the final send-off of our grandma. And then tomorrow, which will be on Wednesday, we will be going to but bring her home. Then later on, we will do what we call like put her to rest. So we are trying, according to the what we call like traditions, we are trying to cover up a place where we will put her to rest. On the other side, they have told us to put something accordingly. So this is what you see, what's going on. So this is what you see. Introduce yourself, man.
Yeah, once again, this is Modern 254 right here. We are still in preparation of baby's burial. Right here, we have something special for baby. Yeah, so if you're watching this video, guys, and you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so. And if you feel like you want to support Claude Joseph family, please do so. We still have time. We still have time, and we still have much time, because tomorrow we'll be going to bring baby home.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so
that's what you see, guys, what you're doing. Trying to cover up this other end, so that when we're going to prepare our grandma's house rest, not everyone will be viewing it, because we are at the road, so we have to cover everything. But anyway, in that regard, therefore, the contribution are still ongoing, guys. Please contribute your help. No, not this one. Kamba.
Mugen is the one who sent me this.
For what?
I don't know.
Not this one. This one is not used for this. This one is not used there. Yeah. So guys, whatever is going on, still when you come, at first people have to wash hands from this side. You wash hands, and then you have food from this end. This is Godi Dodi. Then you pick your stuffs as you go. Hey, Joan, go with Jay. How are you?
I'm actually shaking. I didn't eat yesterday at evening.
Yeah.
I remember it right now because I started shaking.
Yeah.
You know, when I'm hungry,
you start
at
to
night,
shake. Yeah.
and then I don't eat. In the morning I will not eat.
Yeah.
And then when it takes so much time, I start shaking. I feel like I'm sick.
Okay.
Seriously sick, you know. So that's how I do behave. My body do behave.
Alright. So with us, there's a lot that is happening, guys, around. Also, this other end, through this great area of our home. So with me, I say much thanks to Almighty God, because even my voice has started to come back. But I'm really disappointed again with this. Because my watermelons have started to do flowering. And this is the most craziest part, where I could have done this, but because of grandma's burial, I have to wait until the next week, where we'll start to do what we call like doing some putting more of this, because as you can see, our watermelons have started to do flowering. You know, they have already started doing flowering. And if I won't do what you call like put more effort, they'll fall down. You see, there's some amazing melon, amazingly. The whole farm is showing up this. Wow, nice. I guess on this other end also, we bought what we call like some more stuffs. Materials are coming. because our mission is like we have sat as a family and also as a committee. They have scheduled a budget that will take place for what we call like all for this burial until it ends. So far they have contributed from friends and family friends, and also on the other hand the big stretch hand towards our YouTube family. We have almost contributed to up to 150,000. That is still ongoing, and our main big budget was 366,000. That was happening, 366,000. So through that, you can just see, guys, we are really going on slowly by slowly, and the main thing is grandma will be ready to rest on a Thursday. I'm just trying to check on stuffs that are going on here. Just trying to look what's going on. Our sweet potatoes that we planted in here are coming out well. And that's how you see, guys, yeah. So this other room, so we planted this. So yeah, we are trying to organize, and they have really organized on what was going on, everything that is scheduled. So we are really moving on. Guys, I don't know at your place, do you really do the same way we do here? Because when we are doing what we call like a foundation like this, they always ask for yeah, so this is what you see what's going on. So definitely kana kuja lazima itakatwa ya chini hivi takingo. So we are trying just to have a home inside here, just like that, so that we can avoid much ice on our granny's what we call like a house of rest when it's still on the digging. Anomba kama sere nakoba tebi ande ngora iko kwa sera. So sera means it's just going on slowly by slowly. So I don't know, according to the traditions, how do you people do it? And my brother here is really also doing his best around. Johnny, shika huko vitu vote. Bro, man, take heart, bro. I see there's a good work you're doing around. Yeah, muta kabisa. Talipiga huko kwa juu hivi. Apigwa linakuja hivi. So definitely we have started it as early as now. As early as you see. As early as now. Yeah, and you know, grandma is resting just near my house, just very near. Where I'll be in the sitting room, I'll check on her. In the morning, I'll be peeping on the window to check where grandma is sleeping. So we are just trying to early preparation for our grandma, you know. So just like that, easy. Mswali nakata inaenda pale hivi bro. Moja hii. So just like that, and then everything will be going on as you see on this side. Pole.
Tulia kwanza. Tulia amalize.
That's according to the tradition, guys. Nongo sekera mole muraka gambe be ho. That's how you see. So this is what you see, guys. They have to do. It needs to be, as a dad, he has to dig the first, second. It's like a sign of Christ, accordingly. Say hi to her. Sera mdogo mpaka down. You see, guys, things are moving, and it's being cycled. Like nobody from the outside can view, not unless maybe they cut it down. And this is what it is. And we made a cross to keep away an evil eye. Sometimes, you know, sometimes people come. Sometimes it's not like but sometimes things happen just like that. Yeah, sorry guys, I just decided to come to this side and sit down, check on what stuff are going on. And also this place was mowed yesterday. It was mowed very well. So we are trying to check on what will be going on around. So cleaning because this is our neighbor's land. It's not our land. As our neighbors go, so it was they are trying to do what we call like we leveled. We're trying to just do some leveling of this space. Hopefully we'll put a certain tent over here again, and we can check on what we're going tomorrow. This house, because it has been here for this time, it should be put down. It should be put down, then we level this. This is our neighbor's house, but he left it a long time ago and went just to rent in town and left this over here. So hopefully all will be well. So this will be pushed down, just according to, because we tried to talk to him. He said yes. It's only that we haven't gotten time for it to go, because it's a very big field. Looks like a very big field, very big. So we can just put some tents all over, and then we try work on this accordingly, and we can do the last what we call like last respect to our lovely grandma. But it won't be the last respect, because I've been respecting her all time. So it won't be the last respect. Sometimes English makes you look like a fool, sometimes. Because when you are respecting somebody and then he says it's the last respect, so will you never respect him again or her again? Sometimes it's crazy. That's what like it's English. So at least right now, honestly, as time goes by, I'm relaxing, which is a better time. So with me, what I can urge you is keep on praying for your boy Claude Joseph and the family at large. Because for this hard time that we are going through, it's not because that we wanted it to happen, but it's because of nature that Lily loves its own, you know. So this is a very good sweet, it looks very sweet and yummy pumpkin. And one thing I love about our neighbor is she does what we call like mixed farming. A lot of mixed farming, you know. Here she has planted aloe vera. That looks like oregano. That one in there, it looks like oregano. But it's not oregano. And that's our beautiful home. And that's my young brother Mugendi's what you call like house. Yeah, so at this time when we are grieving, all will be well. Let us keep on praying for each other, and that will be okay. So I've just tried to update you according to what is supposed to be done. Because right now as we speak, they're still doing what we call like contribution. So let's see what they'll be contributing, because the target of the budget of doing what we call like holding the baby's funeral. I told you it was 350. So it was ranging from 350 to 360,000 Kenyan shillings. That's like over $2,500. So we are definitely trying to see what's going on. This other end is covered. Mbona vipi? Uko mbona unapaka rangi bwana? Mbona umepaka vidole rangi na wewe ni mwanaume? Kijana. Wewe ni mwanaume unapaka vidole rangi. Inafaa unapaka polish. Na kwanza umepaka hii. Haya mbona si vizuri. Kate. I'm trying to tell him why is he So that's what you see, guys. And this house, and one thing according to the rules and regulation, I don't know if it's rules or what, according to the culture and norms, they always say that if there's a burial and you have an unfinished house at home, you have to finish it. But this one, my brother was doing some roofing before even thinking of maybe Bibi can even demise. That's it. So like here, there's something that is ongoing in here. There's a construction of what we call like a construction of a grave. So that's construction of a grave. That's why you see we have just tried to cover everything, so that not anyone who will be able to view there, but just to close it just like that, so that you can go deep down, But it was just a small updates about what's going on around and sharing with you. Tomorrow we are going to bring Bibi home tomorrow, so let's try and see how everything is. And I'm always grateful for your support and everyone for everything. Let's see what's going on around. Let's try and check. It's going, bro. It's going. Nemba tevila no mara sere ma. Ya hare. Hapo kishaanza kusogota. Hapo ndio imeanza kusogota. So that's how it's going, guys. Just like that. Slowly. That's Mugendi himself. The work is going at night, guys. That's what you see. Just to be dark right now and being built right now. The boys are here. You're letting and we have Mr. Rasta. Guys, it's less time, but I have to share with you what's going on. Having some cement and some blocks. These were brought by John, and right now as we speak, as you see, Daniel, what's wrong? We have Mr. Dan 254 is washing his face. It's early morning. Yeah,
I am here trying to wash my face and everything is fine.
Yeah, guys, we just try to encircle this place and put tight securities in here because
even me, I am the part of the
you're part of tight security.
Yeah,
because right here what we're having here is that there's a grave here, and it's not good for it to be left that way. So when it's at night like this, you have to guard, and according to the culture, I don't know, the norms and traditions, these stuff should be here. They're not supposed to be returned back home or to the house or done any cleaning. So right here, as you see, some days it will be a very nice. I'm thinking of building a wall the other side, but let's try and see how it will go. Man, today we have another big Rastafari. Come on, man. Hi, Selassie. This was my voice. And here we have Vashinazi and the Soldier Boy. Yeah, so this is what you see, guys. I wanted to just share with you the ideas about the grave. So like this, what we always say is that sometimes they do what we call like the reason why most people don't build graves maybe 1 week, 2, or when they're bringing their, most of people build what we call like their graves when it's the day, like now at night, and then in the morning, or they build the same day when they are burying. They always believe that sometimes when they do a grave like this, before you have brought the person at home, it might bring what we call like some bad omen. Some omen, you understand that, guys? So through that, that's how it's happening. The fact that we just encircled all the way, and we're here to be glad on this other end, and things are moving on in a very nice and great way. So just like that, and I just left with Gaki here and some YouTubers. I'm very much grateful for them and each and every person who has held us a hand towards this end. So tomorrow we'll go bring our lovely baby, and that's how our compound looks like, and there's some heavy music playing there. So thank you guys, and have a lovely time and night, and God bless you always. Bye.